Hello friends, is your brake light stuck on, or is your cruise control not working? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0571, this means there's a problem with the brake switch circuit. This issue can cause safety problems and even prevent your car from shifting out of park. So what causes it? Where is the sensor located and how do you fix it? Let's break it down. The P0571 code stands for brake switch A circuit malfunction. Your brake switch is responsible for turning on your brake lights when you press the pedal, sending a signal to the ECU for features like cruise control and push-button start. If the brake switch circuit isn't working properly, the ECU can't detect when you press the brake pedal, causing issues with the brake lights, gear shifting, and cruise control. Common symptoms of P0571: brake lights stuck on or off. Cruise control doesn't work or shuts off suddenly, car won't shift out of park, especially in automatic transmissions. Check engine light, CEL, is on ABS or traction control. Warning lights may appear. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the faulty component. To diagnose P0571, check these key components. Brake pedal position switch, brake light switch. Location, mounted above the brake pedal, near the firewall, under the dashboard. This switch detects when you press the brake pedal. Cruise control module, if equipped. Location, near the brake switch. Connected via wiring harness to the ECU. If the cruise control system isn't getting the correct brake signal, it will shut off. Fuse box, brake light fuse and cruise control fuse. Location, under the dashboard, driver's side, or in the engine bay. A blown fuse can cause the brake switch circuit to fail. Brake light wiring and connectors location, running from the brake pedal to the taillights and ECU. Broken or corroded wires can stop the brake switch from working properly. ECU, engine control unit. Location, usually in the engine bay or behind the glove box. Processes the brake switch signal for cruise control and transmission functions. Common causes of P0571, faulty brake pedal position switch. The switch may be worn out or stuck. Blown brake light. Fuse. A burnt fuse can cut power to the brake switch circuit. Wiring issues, loose, broken or corroded wires between the brake switch and ECU. Faulty cruise control module. The module may not be reading the brake signal correctly. ECU malfunction, rare. If all other components are working, the ECU could be faulty. How to fix P0571? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0571 and check for related codes. Step 2. Inspect the brake pedal position switch under the dashboard. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 3. Check the brake lights. If they're not working or stuck on, the switch may be bad. Step 4. Test the fuses in the fuse box and replace any blown ones. Step 5. Check wiring and connectors near the brake pedal and fuse box for damage. Step 6. Reset the ECU and test the brake switch after repairs. Ignoring P0571 can cause serious safety issues, including brake lights malfunctioning and cruise control failing. Fixing it early keeps your car safe and fully functional. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0388. Crankshaft position sensor, B circuit high. P0389. Crankshaft position sensor, B circuit intermittent. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.